Hello everyone, and thanks for joining me today. In this video, I'll show you how to stop the Kick app from using mobile data on your Android phone. If you want to save your mobile data and only let Kick work on Wi-Fi, follow these easy steps carefully. First, locate the Kick app icon on your home screen. Next, press and hold the Kick app icon until a small menu appears on your screen. From the menu, tap on App Info. After that, scroll and click on Data Usage Details. Finally, look for the Disable Mobile Data and turn it on to disable mobile data for the Kick app. By doing this, Kick will only work when connected to Wi-Fi, saving your mobile data from unnecessary use. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to control mobile data access for the Kick app on your Android device. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching.